Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Peloton membership. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. I'm going to head over to my notes here. I've compiled ways of cancelling your Peloton membership. So if you're using an iPhone, Android, PC, I've got all methods for all three or four of those things. Alright, so the first one is, so for Peloton All Access members, bike or tread, log into your Peloton account on the Peloton bike, tread or Peloton website. Access your account. So on the bike or tread, tap on your username in the bottom left corner. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right, and then navigate to settings and then membership, and then follow the prompts to cancel your membership. For the Peloton digital membership on the web, log in. So go to the Peloton website and log into your account. Click on your profile icon, top right hand corner, and then go to account settings. And then under the membership tab, find subscription and click on cancel subscription. So if you're using an iOS, Apple devices, iPad or iPhone, open up settings app on your iOS device, tap your name at the top to access Apple ID settings, tap on subscriptions, find and select your Peloton subscription, and then from there just cancel subscription and confirm. And if you're using an Android device, open up Google Play Store app, tap on the menu icon, three horizontal lines in the top left corner, select subscriptions, find and select your Peloton subscription, tap cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. So if you encounter any issues or prefer to speak to someone directly, you can contact Peloton membership support. So here's the phone number and the email address. So make sure to cancel before the next billing cycle to avoid being charged again. After cancellation, you will still have access to your membership until the end of the current billing period.